Today we're going to make butterflies with pista shells. First, you need cardboard, and then get your pencils. And we need to draw the outline of the butterfly. So we're going to draw the shape of the butterfly. You can get cardboard anywhere around your house. Just look around. It may be from a pizza box, it may be from a shoe box, maybe from a delivery box, anything. Just look around your house, get any cardboard box you want. It doesn't actually have to be a box. You can get any sheet of cardboard. The bigger the cardboard is, the bigger the butterfly will be. Like, it depends on how big you draw. Like this. Now that we're done with our outlines, we can now cut them out. Okay. So get your scissors and be careful with them. So now we're supposed to cut out the outline. It's hard to cut with cardboard, especially if it's thick. So we just did it. It's really hard. If you need help, you can ask your parents' help. Now that you have the outline of your butterfly, I'm not done yet. We have the outline of the butterfly. Now what we need to do is get the pistachio shells and stick it onto the butterfly. Spread some glue onto one of the wings or the edges, like this. Make sure there's not too much glue. And then after it's like that, put some pistas on there, like this. So I spreaded glue all over and I spread it with a piece of cardboard. So there. And now I'm just going to stick all the pista shells on it. So after you're done with this all, what you're supposed to do is let it dry. Like, let all the glue dry. Let's start painting! I'm doing red and yellow. I'm doing blue and yellow. So we finished our things. and it looks like this, the final thing. So we mixed all the colors, and I think I'm gonna make a new one. Yeah, me too. Now let's add the googly eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit glue, and I'm just gonna stick them right on. There. Now it looks funny. So I added them both. Now the googly eyes are set. Now it looks funny. Mine looks so beautiful with all the colors, and it looks so colorful. Yeah, mine looks kind of funny with the big googly eyes and with all the colors. We tried many different colors and patterns to the butterflies. We added some mouths also to other ones. For more videos, click like, share, and